We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible. Got the Olds 350 Rocket, 310 horsepower, power disc brakes, power steering, factory air conditioning. Nice car. Full center console, 4-shifter, billet specialty wheels. It's just a really nice car. Runs and drives fantastic. New convertible top. Just a great car. We're located in Fenton, Missouri. We're in the suburbs of St. Louis. That's Fenton, Missouri. Westport Auto Center. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, we'd be more than happy to pick you up. St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. Just a nice car. Forward us your flight itinerary. Pick you up from the airport, take you in one of our 3 warehouses full of classics. Put it up on a lift, take it out for a ride, make sure it's a good fit. Man, this is just a nice car. Billet specialty wheels, you got the power disc brakes in the front, bucket seat, center console, great interior, custom sound system, rockin' sound system in this vehicle. White top, matching spare, it's got a built out trunk, sub in the back. Go to www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find a bunch of pictures, detailed pictures. California car. We'll just go ahead and pop the trunk while we're at it. It does have power locks on the remote, but it is a California car. You got the jack, the spare. So the trunk's built out. Nice unit. Got lots of paperwork from the dealership. Original, but great car. It's a Cutlass Supreme. Again, take up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. It's a nice car. Not a 100-point show car, but it's a very nice car. Very nice paint. Great body lines. California car, man. That's what everybody wants. Here it is. Great color combination. Very striking. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. Very nice interior. Killer sound system. So it's a great running and driving car. Bad boy for a ride. Love this car. 79,483 miles. Factory air car. Again, power disc, power steering, power top, bucket seat, center console, full center console back. It's a custom center console. Cutlass Supreme, 350 Rocket, 310 horsepower. There's the difference. 70 drops, I think, to 71 drops to 260, and then 72, it really gets castrated with virtually no horsepower. www.westportautocenter.com. It's www.westportautocenter.com. Tons of pictures on the website. See the video on YouTube. Great financing, usually 10% down. You're driving. Great rates, great terms. It's a courtesy service. We can assist in arranging transportation anywhere in the world. We've sold 85 or 86 countries now, every state in the United States multiple times. So more than happy to assist with that. Make sure you get a good, reliable carrier. In a 1970 Cutlass Supreme Convertible, 350 rocket, 310 horsepower, 3-speed automatic, factory AC, power disc, brakes, power steering, billet specialty wheels. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. Thanks for watching.